Hello there. It's Sunday the 28th, September 28th, and I just got back to the RV from a day at Dollywood. Now, the last couple of days I've done some neat things, interesting stuff, but not had time to do videos, so I have 3 to do tonight. When I came down this way, I decided there were 3 things I wanted to do. I wanted to see the Titanic exhibit. And when I got here, I found out that right next door to the Titanic exhibit is something called the Hatfield and McCoy's Dinner Theater play. And I like plays. I like plays. I like local plays. I like funny plays. I have liked a couple of really serious plays, but mostly I like lightweight humor. And Hatfield's and McCoy's was very lightweight humor, but cute. I mean, really cute. The actors are young, and boy, did they work hard. Anyway, so the third thing I wanted to do was go to Dollywood, which I did today. So yesterday, as I got into town, I just pulled right into the Hatfield and McCoy parking lot, went inside and made a reservation for a 5 o'clock dinner show. And then I just walked, literally, 150 feet uphill to the Titanic display, which is shaped like the front half of Titanic, and just did a walk-in, and I spent about an hour and a half in there looking at that. Now, it's a combination of reproduction and real artifacts from the Titanic, and I know a lot about Titanic because I've read a whole lot. I got Robert Ballard's book, signed by Robert Ballard, which I lent to somebody and never got back. And I've got a couple of other Titanic books, so I pretty much know mostly about Titanic. I learned a thing or 3. There was some stuff in there I didn't know, and I thought that was really neat. So I enjoyed the Titanic, and then I went back and retrieved the RV, which I had parked in the back parking lot of the Hatfield McCoy, and I went down and checked into the KOA, of which I am in right now. My air conditioner just cut off. Maybe you can hear me better. So anyway, I'm in the KOA, and I'm going to do the videos from Titanic yesterday, video from the Hatfield McCoy play from yesterday, and the video from Dollywood, which I took today, and then I'll publish the 3 of them separately. Once again, I'm going to go through the video clips and pick out maybe 1/4 of what I took, so you'll see a lot of little snippets, hopefully. Otherwise, I'd have you tied up for the next 7 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put together 3 videos and let it rip. Okay, now this is weird. That's a Wyndham Hotel over there, and the building is built upside down. Okay, now that there is bad enough by itself. But then you look over here, and there's a building over there on its side, right here at the Hatfield McCoy dinner show, of which I'm going to tonight. We've got all kinds of stuff here. Dinner and a play, tonight at 5 o'clock. And right next to us is the Titanic. Look at the Titanic over there. So I'm going to go, I just bought my ticket here at the dinner theater, and I'll be back here. I'll try to get a cab or a Uber or something to come back tonight. But right now I'm going to go over and see the Titanic and see their exhibit. And I just find that fascinating that that building over there is built on its side. I wonder what it's like inside. That's just weird. Okay, so I've been driving some really small roads. The bib brought me down some of the smallest rural roads you've ever seen in your life. I gotta stop trusting her because I do not like it. Stupidity. Let's get some players down there. Okay, so I'm gonna go see the Titanic. There's that tilted over building over there. And here's the Titanic in all of its glory. going to eat. I'm in for the 12 o'clock show. I believe this is an example of the silverware and platery. They didn't have Titanic on it, they had White Star Line. All the White Star Line ships use the same plates and service. That's part of the display. Somebody put some serious work into this. They should have a little model of Leonardo DiCaprio and what's her name up on the bow. It would be neat. Kate Winslet? Yeah, that'd be neat. This is where the guy was constantly sweeping the deck. It is fascinating.
The White Star Line was like, hey, like, don't talk about it.
What does this one say? Mom.
How are y'all?
And here is the central
Welcome
grand.
to the grand staircase. This was built using the blueprints from the original ship on a 1-to-1 scale, meaning it's an exact replica of what you would have seen on the Titanic. As you head up the stairs, you're going to enter into first class. You can take any photos upstairs if you like. We just ask that you don't flash and no video. And you'll end your tour going down the staircase on that side.
Well, let's assume that this is a first class suite.
He will long remember.
Oh, play more. Play more. That was so cool. Hi. If my wife was here, she'd be all over that piano.
Yeah.
Oh, it would be so cool.
I wish I had a piano like that.
Hi. It is very cold in this room.
Lori's ready for her jacket. There you go, baby girl.
You want to feel how the water felt when they had to go into it?
Yeah, don't worry.
That's 28 degrees. It's got a pull in the ocean. Right.
Çocuklar vefat etmiş soğuktan falan.
First of all, see your time to watch.
I've got all of them.
Herkes kendine Amerikalı ismini seçsin burada.
Hayatta kalanlar.
Elliot.
This.